A guilty verdict in the Jodi Arias trial. She was convicted of first-degree murder late on Wednesday, and today the jury returns to court to begin considering her punishment. ABC's Ryan Owens is in Phoenix, Arizona with the latest for us.
Good morning, Robin. Convicted killer Jodi Arias is on suicide watch at the jail this morning after telling a local television station here she would rather die than spend the rest of her life in prison. But of course, that's not up to her.
First-degree murder, guilty.
Jodi Arias could only wait a few minutes after being convicted to find a television camera and start talking. She told the Fox station here in Phoenix what she wants the jury to do now.
Well, the worst outcome for me would be natural life. I would much rather die sooner than later.
She may get her wish.
I said years ago that I'd rather get death than life, and that still is true today. I believe death is the ultimate freedom, so I'd rather just have my freedom as soon as I can get it.
The jury of 8 men and 4 women deliberated 15 hours, convicting Arias of the premeditated murder of her ex-boyfriend Travis Alexander, who she shot and repeatedly stabbed. Alexander's family exhaled in relief and broke down in tears when they heard the word guilty. As for Jodi Arias, dressed in all black, she barely flinched. It was almost as if she knew it was coming. Outside the Phoenix courthouse, the crowd erupted as word spread the state's most notorious defendant is now officially a convicted killer. Travis Alexander's closest friends, Chris and Sky Hughes, sat down with ABC News just after the verdict.
It's been a tough 5 years, and today was a really important day for our life, and we're just glad that it turned out the way it did.
I feel like I can breathe again.
So the Jodi Arias trial is a long way from being over. Later today, the prosecution will present aggravating factors, basically arguing to this jury just how cruel this murder was. Then next week, the punishment phase begins, and Jodi Arias, who you might remember testified for 18 days during this phase of the trial, will get a chance to take the stand again, and perhaps this time to beg for her life.